Today, I'm starting the project of building a road. So as you know, we have our driveway coming up, and first half of the property down the hill, and the second half of the property is down over here, and it goes for about 3 acres down that way. And we need a way to access it with more than just a tractor, but like with an actual truck and stuff. Because we have a gate, but we don't have a way to just get down there with a larger vehicle, which we're gonna need because we're gonna need hay delivered and dropped off down there for the cow. As you can see right here, this yellow tree and that yellow tree mark out the first spot. I'm gonna build a road this way, and then it's gonna go down. Today, I'm not gonna be able to clear out those bigger trees because I need Dad and the tractor to use the rope to pull them to drop them where I want to drop them. But I am gonna be able to get rid of all this little stuff. I'm gonna be able to drag all the sticks and the stumps, bring that all down. And we also have our steel bushwhack that I'm gonna come in here, and I'm just gonna bushwhack all this little stuff down by hand as well. So, without further ado, it's a good thing none of the kids have ever been back here, because there's all this broken glass, and I don't think this was left by the previous owner. I think it was by the original owner who built the house. But I mean, this stuff's old. It might have even been here before him. So we're clearing this out the best we can. It's actually coming along pretty well. So, but I've gotten the big logs and I've trimmed down some of the stumps, so those aren't in the way as much. I still need a few more to do. I haven't gotten to trim down some of this stuff like this right here. As you can see, the yellow will drive on right in there. It'll come down. This is a better angle to show you how wide it is. It's gonna keep coming, but it's gonna come down here. It's gonna kind of bear to the left a little bit. We're gonna have to take down this little tree. It's gonna keep coming. We're gonna have to take down this tree and that tree, because then it's gonna, you can see the yellow trees gonna make a path. It's gonna keep going this way and that way. So is I'm gonna take down this little guy right here, pull him that way, and then I'm gonna bushwhack, chop him up, toss him there, and then bushwhack all right here until I get to those trees. We got a chicken laying an egg. Here's the finished road. And we even had hay delivered. He came in, backed his truck all the way back in here, dropped the hay off right here. We rolled the bales right down there. And there's all the hay. So we're all good for hay for the cow because of this road.